Hi, I'm Pat and welcome back to the channel. Today, I have the NSX out at Dominion Raceway. Now, why am I at Dominion Raceway? Well, this is a quarter-mile event today, so I want to see what this car will do. I've actually had the car out for a little bit, and we tested the launch control in the car, so everything's working just fine there. So we're going to take the NSX out, we're going to see what she'll do in a quarter mile. It is a cold day today, it's almost 50 degrees, so I don't know how these tires are going to do. So I don't know what I'm going to expect. I do have the Draggy on board, and of course got my GoPro, so we're ready to go. If you're new to the channel, please click the subscribe button and ring that bell for notifications. I'll be posting more content like this. So let's get on it. That was pretty cool. Of course, there's no timing here, so I had to actually do this all on the Draggy. I'm glad I brought my Draggy with me, right? So we got a 3.94 0 to 60. It's cold. So as soon as I got on it, launch control, it just died and then took off. So that's what we got the results here for the 0 to 60. Pretty smooth on the takeoff. I expected a little bit more G-force, especially coming off the first couple of gears. So we did touch 1G, which is all right, but you know, it's a little bit less than the i8, and I definitely could feel it. So quarter mile time, we got 11.83 at 122 mile an hour. This is the fastest I've ever run a quarter mile. This car is quick. So I'm pretty happy with this right now. I think might have to take it down the track a few more times, but these cold temperatures are making these tires not hook up. So definitely warmer days for more testing for sure. All right, second run, 3.7 0 to 60, so it's starting to get a little bit warmer in the tires, which is good. We're able to get a little bit more grip. And what do we got here? 11.6 for the quarter mile. So definitely improving, definitely improving. So I think as conditions are better, the car's tires are warmed up, I think we're going to continue to do better.
This is what?
My first time drag racing ever.
Well, be
and
careful,
launching this
safe.
car.
Good luck.
You beat him right off the line.
I know.
So who won it at the end?
Me still.
Were you pulling the whole time?
No.
Oh, really? You kept up eventually?
Well, no, sorry. I was pulling the whole time until I just got off the gas.
Oh, you got off before the line?
Yeah.
That's fine, though. You knew you had him.
Yeah.
So did you still get him at the line, or did you...
No, I got him at the line.
Even though you let out?
Yeah.
That's freaking awesome. Great job.
Can I
Did
go?
you enjoy doing that?
Yeah, can I go again?
Yeah, you can go again anytime you want.
I'm gonna go now.
Okay. All right, here we go. We got Rebecca racing against Randy. All right, what happened?
I messed up the launch.
You messed up the launch?
I lost launch and she lost launch, but she still took me. That car
Did-
way pulled the Huracan.
Did it?
Yeah.
Can we go again?
I got no launch control. I can't even get it off the line.
It sounded like you're having trouble in between shifts too. Like it was banging off
It
rev
was
limiter?
because the launch control failed. It went out of automatic shift.
You hate that. So reliability wise, what do you think would be better for racing?
Pat.
So what do you think?
That's fun.
Did you actually go to the flags this time?
Yes, I did.
And how far back was he from you?
Decently.
A decent
My
amount?
rental car sucks.
Get me off the line. It's in the guy that street
Wanna do
messaged
the
us.
R8?
Because he was going point, like.
Yeah, so it was quick.
He didn't do that this time.
Oh, he just gave you a light.
Yeah.
Go to GTA,
Oh.
you get a light.
Yeah, no, but before he was going point.
Yeah, he didn't do that.
He didn't do that, and that threw me off.
So you didn't launch it at all? You just...
No, I launched it, but it was I was
Late.
like,
Yeah, but it doesn't matter. I couldn't even launch. I just went.
Right, yeah, you did, yeah.
Yeah, I think this will take the GT3. I think so too.
This car?
I'll get more fun in that.
This car will take the GT3 RS?
Oh yeah, that's only 500 horsepower.
Well, this is only 500 horsepower.
No, it's not. These are more than that. These are what do they factor?
I'd have to Google it.
I think they're a little more. I think they're like 575.
I don't know.
And they're all-wheel, right?
This is all-wheel drive, yeah.
The GT3's not.
So you want to go against GT3? All right, she's ready. All right, Rebecca against Randy in the GT3 this time. Oh man! She had him. Woo!
New or used? Used.
no, he just got it though. 2 days ago.
I was like, she's already racing it?
Yeah,
Is it new or used?
2 days ago.
Sweet.
20,000 miles on it.
Man, they're saying it's kicking ass. I've never seen one of these run before. This
I
is
am
awesome.
kicking ass.
Yeah, you are. You're killing it.
So what happened this time?
My weight actually made her go faster.
Really, you helped plant?
Yeah.
Dude, ride with her all the time. You guys got my blessing.
450 pounds at home.
I did a nice burnout. You see the burnout?
I saw that burnout. All the way down there, you did nothing but spin tires.
But spin. Yeah, just
Wow.
boys, it's fun.
All right, so Randy's driving the NSX,
They're sitting on the seat.
and now I'm driving a Huracan. Yeah, this is kind of crazy. I never expected my first ride in a Huracan driving the car, and it's a Spider, would actually be on a racetrack, let alone in a quarter mile.
Oh man, these things just feel so planted.
The NSX feels similar.
I'm sure. Woo! Those shifts. Wow.
Yeah, it's pretty wicked.
And that exhaust note sounded incredible on the downshifts.
I'm nervous, Kyle.
Thanks, that makes me feel
I'm nervous, buddy. We're gonna be running Randy in the NSX. Got the Huracan here. He likes the NSX, pretty good. So you definitely want to check out Cars and Kyle. We got Kyle over here.
How you doing, guys?
He's recording everything. Now he's got the draggy, but yeah,
We got
Kyle.
the draggy going. We got some other GoPro footage, so it should be pretty good.
Yeah, I'm really happy he's here because if it wasn't for him, I wouldn't be able to record anything. I don't have anything set up in this car. So definitely check out Cars and Kyle. Link in the description below.
Thank you.
All right.
That was close.
This Huracan pulls. I know.
Photo finish?
I don't know who got who, but definitely the horsepower in that thing kicked in. This thing had no shot at the end. Yeah.
Yeah, that got off the line immediately. But yeah, this was impressive. Wow. All right, so we had Acura versus Lamborghini. That was a very cool race. Definitely check out Cars and Kyle. But now, Rebecca's first time in the driver's seat of a Lamborghini. How was it?
It's awesome.
Does it feel comfortable?
Yeah.
It's more comfortable than the NSX, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it
Yeah,
is.
it's weird. All right, let's go. All right. Wish me luck.
And then that's it. Just foot
Yep.
on the.
Left foot on the brake, right foot on the gas.
Oh, that's dangerous. I love it.
Wow. So, what'd you think?
That was awesome. I kind of let up towards the end, but I was like,
Yeah, because it feels like it's really going to take off on you.
It feels like it's wiggling a little bit. And I mean, it's my first time driving a Lamborghini, so I was like, not going to go too crazy, but
Yeah.
10 out of 10 would do it again. Probably will.
There we go. We got Rebecca in the Huracan. So it's the next day. I was awfully tired last night. I'm getting ready to start another project and I have to close this video out. So let me know in the comment box below what you thought of the video. I was very impressed with the NSX, although it was a little cold and I think that impacted how the tires performed. But I was very impressed with the car. I think it's going to be quite a good car to have on the channel. I think we're going to take you along for a lot of neat experiences. And what about that Huracan? Thanks to Cars and Kyle for riding along with me. Check him out, link in the description. He took some great video while I was driving the car. He was riding along as a passenger, and we both had our first Lamborghini experience at the same time. So, wow, what a cool day. And thanks to Randy from Savage Garage for giving us the hookup on the Lamborghini. It was definitely an experience to be able to drive a Huracan for the first time in our lives. So Rebecca and I thank you very, very much, and we appreciate you taking the NSX out and giving it a good run. If you liked today's video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and ring that bell for notifications. I'll be posting more content like this. Thanks for watching.